do you like the cover?
Well, I believe when this vendor was happening in studio, and when the render was done, and of course the execution happens after the render is done. And I told my team, this is it. This is like all-page render. And so, if you really understand that when you see the render and when you see the executed project, it actually synergizes with as it is as the detail. So yeah, I mean to say, this was something which we wanted it, and it is here. Thank you so much, Society Interiors, for the same. And thank you, the team who are here today, to appreciate this.
Can I take some insights from the film industry? So, what are your views on the project cover? I've heard you also have an insight on art designs, and you were into designing before coming into the industry?
Yeah, thoda bahut kar leta hu. So, yes, I've been associated with Magna Group and now Magna Group for a long time, and thank you Ashok ji for calling me, and obviously it's my honor to come here and unveil something which I always believe in, I mean which is designing, and how can I not come for such a beautiful cover, or I'm waiting to see the insights. And yes, I am into designing, so I love every detail, I always watch it, and you know, जो नहीं देख पाए थे वो भी मैं देखूंगा कि स्टेप्स कैसे किया है, फ्लोर कैसे किया है, इसका ये क्या किया है. तो I yes like him, I also go into the details, and I would like to see what else is there inside the book. And thank you for calling me, and it's a great Kalikumanji and all of you. So I have musical views for this designing, and I can sing a song जो हमारा एक सलमान भाई के साथ आया था किक फिल्म में, Hangover. Society ID का ID is for interior designs. Wow. Hangover. Society ID का Hangover. Society ID का. So I think it's beautiful. And इतना प्यारा इनका कवर है कि मैं इसमें ये बोल सकता हूँ कि ये देख के मैं मैनिफेस्ट करने वाला हूँ. I'm into manifestation also. ये विला बॉम्बे में वैसे बनाना मुश्किल है, इतना बड़ा विला, लेकिन आपने बना दिया है तो आई विल मैनिफेस्ट इट. मुश्किल है. Yeah, actually I've started my own brand of spirituality called Harry Home, and I'm into manifestation. So very soon इसको मैं अपने बेडरूम के पोस्टर में लगाने वाला हूँ, इसको बड़ा करके ऐसे ही, एंड मैनिफेस्ट करूँगा, और आप लोग की दुआ से ये जल्दी हमारा घर होना चाहिए. I love the color combination, this the blue and the white, and it's really royal. And I think it's visionary. दुआ करता हूँ कि सर बहुत जल्दी AI का कुछ ऐसा ऐप बनाओ आप डिजाइनिंग में कि हम लोग यहीं से घुस जाएं सीधे प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर, और ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज सबकी हों. So amazing effort, amazing initiative. God bless.
And of course the way time is changing, अगर अमित जी जैसे ऐसे डिजाइनर आ जाएंगे तो I think बहुत कुछ और एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. But since I come from Punjab, for me the whole definition is very different. But all I want to say here, congratulations to the Magnet team, and congratulations Amit, and I'm looking forward to your lovely designs. Congratulations Swati, and thank you Ashok ji for inviting me. And
Can I request Team Magnet for a team photo op, please? Can I request Team Magnet?
Oh, this is bye.
Close.
Oh, look here, up the camera.
Nice English.
I know that. Ma'am, here.
Yes. Which man?
Wait.
Thank you. Thank you. Back up. चलो वाइट करते चलो. हाँ? क्या करते हैं? वाइट कर. किसको देखो? कहाँ काटूँ वो? कहाँ काटूँ? हाउस मेरे छोटे. बिल खत्म हो गया.
बिल खत्म हो गया? अरे यार लाइट खत्म दिनेश भाई
इनको कर लेने
लाइट लाइट
पैसा का वेट सर वेट इंटीरियर डिजाइनर थैंक यू सर
Important? Well, I guess you get to know the personality of the person when you walk into their house. So for me, I observe a lot. So whenever I go to anybody's house or I enter or walk into any restaurant, coffee shop, anywhere, so I really get to know that what the personality of that person is gonna be. And for me, first thing I observe the kitchen. From there you got to know actually each and everything about the person. So I guess yes, it's really important. The interior is really important because that's your safe space and that lift up your mood. And being an actor, being an artist, all I can say like my house interior is, sorry, it's nothing compared to yours, but it's very calming because I'm a very calming person. So my whole color complexion of the house, you will see only white and grays, even furniture white and grays, because I'm a very calming person. I like quiet space. So yeah, that's important for me. But yes, you get to know, I think I have so many friends who have very colorful houses, and you get to know how jolly they are, because I think it all depends on person's personality, and it's really important for everyone.
Thank you so much. As you rightly said, kitchens in even the olden days, they're saying the way you maintain your kitchen is the way a person is. It shows how a person stays. So that is why in the olden days, like kitchen सबसे सुंदर रखना चाहिए.
Sundar and hygienic.
Yes. Sir, would you mind if I ask you a question?
No, don't ask me the question. You also need to answer. You should just speak. Yes, I'm really thankful to Amit giving us the opportunity to carry your one of the best projects in our magazines. Amit, thank you so much.
Swati out there. It's been very long journey, and Ashok, let me tell you that we were doing our baby steps about say 20 years back or 18 years back. So at that moment of time, we always, and everybody wants recognition, and I believe that's exactly what we are here again for, whenever that you do your work. And the platform that Society Interiors and Matma Publications have always paved up is for budding designers as well. Is amazing. Let me tell you, we have an excellent team. Ashok, with Sunil out there, he won't spare anyone, and with Swati out there, and I think it's been really lovely and absolutely amazing.
There's no doubt that I'm really blessed to have such my wonderful team. Without the team, nothing happens.
And I don't mind telling you this because this is very important. I was very sure. I was asking Sunil that who are going to be there. Okay? So that's something which he said. You know, Amit, have you heard of Umang Gabbar? But you don't have to ask me. Have I heard about him? I know him so well, and I've been following him. So I mean, it's such a wonderful thing to be. And then he said, meet brothers. I said, fine. Because see, if you understand my design, this is symphony. Okay, and this is exactly what we translate, whether it's music, whether it's art, or whether it's this beauty. So it's absolutely amazing, and thank you so much for making our evening so wonderful and spending your time and all of you out there. Thank you so much, really appreciate it.
Yes, I think Oma is like a family to us. Our journey started almost 3 decades ago. All the Stardust Awards, I think the man behind, the magazine, I wouldn't say magazine, the man behind the Stardust Award is Umang Kumar, who, without him, nothing, the success would have not taken place. So thank you, Umang, for just one phone call away. I think that goes to Amit and Anna too. Just one call away. I just told them that, I want you all to be here to unveil the Society Interior and Design magazine's cover. They said, yes, we will be there. And once again, for sparing your valuable time and coming over here and making this evening a grand success. Thank you so much for all of you. Thank you. Yeah. It would be just yes.
चल चल
सर यहाँ पर
So ma'am, camera look.
यहाँ लोग सेंटर, both of look center, both
All together.
Before we take, now I would like to call upon Miss Saloni Khosla, Mr. Prasad Mistry, Mr. and Mrs. Sakaria, Dispal and Hina Sakaria, Mr. Shoaib Mosa, Mr. Sarik Bhora, Mr. Yogesh Kulkarni and Miss Jyoti Gupta. And I would like to have a special thanks to Mr. Baspal for his hospitality. Basap Paul for his hospitality and giving us the space of Invisible. Can I have Miss Saloni Khosla, please? Can I have Mr. Prasad Mistry, please? Can I have Mr. and Mrs. Sakaria, Dispal and Hina Sakaria, please? Can I invite Mr. Shoaib Mosa, please?
मैम यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पर देखिए
So look here.
सर यहाँ पर भी यहाँ
Your camera look.
Center.
Yeah. Mr. Shoaib Mosa, Mr. Sarit Bhora,
सर यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पर
I would like to invite Mr. Yogesh Kulkarni and Miss Jyoti Gupta, please.
मैम यहाँ पर देखिए
मैम सेंटर में भी देखना थोड़ा सा वीडियो में
Camera. Okay, done.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
थैंक यू
तुरंत महाकाल सब चाप मैम मोबाइल पीछे
अच्छा वेट फॉर अ सेकंड
Who's that? कौन था वो?
Jyoti Gupta. I, with all my heart, would like to thank each one of you who's come here and spared your time for us. I'm greatly obliged. I am sorry if I made mistakes. I'm humbly apologetic for the same. And I'm very thankful to each one of you for coming.
थैंक यू
Bite.
This is such a prestigious cover to be unveiled, and thank you Ashok and Magna Group and Magnet Group to call me and to do the honors with our esteemed guests. I'm privileged that Amit Pawal's design is unveiled by us, and I look forward to seeing the interiors in actual place also.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah. So I love it.
Well, it's a lovely feeling to be here. I'm honored to be here, and thank you so much, Ashok ji, for inviting me. And congratulations to Team Magnet, and congratulations, Amit.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward to see your designs.
course,
And thank you, sir, for sharing this stage with me. And it's a lovely feeling, so thank you.
So, Amitji, tell us about the project that's featured on the cover.
So this project is a villa that we have done in Raipur. It's in Chhattisgarh, and it has been done at about 10,000 square feet of space. And the best part is that the client had nothing to say but just ask us to please carry on and just give us the keys, and that is what we really love to do. But amazing, like we had all the independence in design and details, and we wanted to make it more modern, contemporary, and that's what the attempt has been. And well, here it is, and I'm more than happy to have my prodigy out here, Umang, to open up this today, and Vihana. And of course, thanks to Ashok ji and Magnet Publishing Group for doing this.
Ashok ji, why did you choose to feature Amit ji in this month's edition?
Amit Pawal is like a legendary interior designer in the field of architecture and interior designing, and it's really honor and pride to carry his project in our magazines, which is a very how would I say, it's one of the best project which we got the opportunity to carry in our magazines, and I'm really grateful for Amit to giving us the opportunity. Okay, and I'm very grateful to Umang and Anna to taking out their own time, coming here and joining the unveiling of our magazine covers. Thank you so much, Umang and Anna, and Amit too.
Thank you.
How are you?
Right.
Yes,
Of course.
Okay. Before we all of us, we don't require the introductions of
Absolutely.
Mr. Bright.
1 second before we finish.
कल मेरा बर्थडे सर
Umang.
बर्थडे सर वेरी गुड सर
Okay, sir, bouquet.
आपको हमने ऑर्डर कर देंगे सर थैंक यू सर
Anna, please.
थैंक यू
मैम यहाँ पर
Dinesh, where is Dinesh?
सर यहाँ पर
Dinesh,
सर यहाँ पर देखिए
come here.
Photo.
नमन सर यहाँ पर
Yeah, wait.
देखिए यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पर
हाँ,
ले लो, दे रही है.
yes. Yeah. जी, हाँ.
आज कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर सोसाइटी इंटीरियर एंड डिजाइन के कवर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और अशोक सर और सोसाइटी और मेघना और स्टारडस्ट से मेरा 1982 से नाता है। मैंने जब मेरा करियर चालू किया था पहला होर्डिंग तभी स्टारडस्ट का ही पहला होर्डिंग भी मैंने लगाया था, तो शायद 40 साल से मेरी दोस्ती है और हर इवेंट्स, हर अवार्ड्स और हर फिल्म का ब्राइट हिस्सा है। थैंक यू।
सर यहाँ पर अभी यहाँ पर
योर सेंटर लुक। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो अवार्ड का आपने किया था स्टेज यार।
हाँ, मालूम है मेरे को, सबका सेम है, नंबर सेम है सर, हमेशा लगता है सर। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू
राइट आउटडोर।
अरे बिल्कुल सर।
And Kali National Awards. So anything from your side, what would you like to say to the winners out there? कैसा लगा इस time?
Congratulations to all the winners, and yeah, देख के अच्छा लगता है. You feel proud to see such mega stars going up and receiving awards, and it's a different feeling. I mean, to get a national award. So all the congratulations to all the winners. They're all fantastic. This year's super work, and as it is. देख के इनको भी मिला, it feels good.
Okay, which was your personal favorite win? Like बहुत सारी categories होती है, but personal favorite कौन सी है? And who was that one winner that that you admired the most?
obviously Vikrant Massey was very good in 12th grade. Shah Rukh ji is fantastic. Rani ji was fantastic, and they were good films. You know, I mean, Umesh Bansal got an award. That also, I mean, he's producing my film, so yes, I had to mention it. So, but nice films. I mean, this obviously all the languages. I mean, I can't just pinpoint, but it's to each his own, and it's fantastic. And to get celebrated on that platform is something else. I mean, when I got my first national award, I was like, wow, इसके बाद retire करूँ क्या? But yes, you feel fantastic. So.
And lastly, anything for Mohanlal sir, who has won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award?
Yeah,
the biggest award
for
the film industry. उनसे बड़ा कोई award नहीं है. So anything for that?
I mean, how can I tell anything about him? Obviously, he deserves every bit of it. And the more you give, the less for them. I mean, he's a magnum opus type of a person, and everything. I mean, he deserves it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.